Hi everyone, my name is Ben Jones. I'm an analyst at Dorsey, Wright & Associates, and thank you today for joining me in the DWA India Minute. Right now, if we look at the Indian equity market, we just witnessed the percent positive trend indicator chart for the Indian stock market reverse up in X's to the 32% level. This means that 32% of stocks in the Indian stock market that we track here at Dorsey Wright are trading in positive trend above their bullish support lines. This is a sign that we're beginning to see demand increase in the Indian equity market. We saw a low back in February around 16%, so we're making an improvement here. We're beginning to see stocks rise in absolute price. That's a good sign. Demand is moving back under control. So today, what I want to do is look at some ideas and kind of go over a few stocks from the CNX Nifty. And right now, let's start off with Tata Steel Limited. This is a name that is very strong at the moment. It's a 4 for 5er. However, when we saw the overall market correct this past spring, it broke through the bullish support line. So it's trading in a negative trend. I like to buy stocks that are trading in positive trends. I may make an exception here, at least as a trade, as a short-term trade here, buying here around that 600, 590 level. But if I'm a long-term investor, I want to see it trading in a positive trend. I know it has that strength, but I just want to make sure that demand is in control here, and that is Tata Steel Limited. Now, Reliance Infrastructure Limited. This is a stock that has been trading in a negative trend since really November, December of last year. Supply is in control. It's a 0 for 5er, possesses very little strength at this point in time. Stay away from this one unless you're looking for some short-term shorting opportunities here. We just saw it reverse up. It's going to face some resistance at that 580 level. Now, Ranbaxy Laboratories Limited. This is a name that I like because it just broke through that negative trend line. It is now trading in a positive trend. It's a 3 for 5er. It's in the healthcare sector. We just saw it break a double top there on that 530 level back in May. Now it's testing resistance there at 550. I'll scale in here, maybe buy it on a pullback. Near-term support at 510. Finally, Infosys Technologies Limited. This stock, is trading in a positive trend. It's a 5 for 5er. One reason why I like it is because we saw it correct pretty significantly down to its July low around there of last year at that 2,700 level, and then we just saw it reverse back up with the most recent action. So I'm going to be a buyer here potentially with a stop there at 2,650. You may want to look at the shorter term chart of this guy because the chart I'm looking at is going to be a little longer term. Positive trend line is down around that 2,550 rupee level. But that's it for today. You can check out these stocks on Stock Easy as well as the Dorsey Wright website to look at their point and figure charts. Next week I'll be in India, in the great city of Mumbai with Tushar of Stock Easy, and we're going to be going around the city. And so feel free to to catch us on the website at stockeasy.com. Message me. Maybe we'll be able to chat and discuss the Indian stock market. But for now, that's it. Check these stocks out on stockeasy.com, and I look forward to hearing back from you guys. And feel free to check this India Minute next week because maybe I'll post some videos while I'm in India. That's going to be fun.